Welcome to the Giant Tech. Today, we're diving into the spectacular world of massive machinery and cutting-edge engineering. Get ready to witness C51 Continuous Hard Rock Miner is revolutionizing excavation with its advanced robotic cutting system. Designed for efficiency, it breaks down rock into small fragments, allowing for precise tunnel excavation of 16.4 by 16.4 feet. Operating on an electrical system, it eliminates emissions while automating the crushing process with high accuracy. Featuring DUT technology, the MC51 ensures cutting precision within 2.16 inches, significantly improving operational efficiency. Operators can control the machine remotely, reducing workplace risks and enhancing safety. This technology-driven miner is reshaping our time for excavating, delivering unmatched reliability and precision. The HG6800 horizontal shredder from the TX series is built for heavy-duty material processing. Weighing 92,000 pounds, it features a powerful 950 horsepower engine that efficiently handles large materials like trees and rocks. Its smart feed system monitors engine speed and adjusts the throttle for confidence. The compact track design ensures stability in challenging terrain, making it a reliable choice for forestry and land operation. This shredder delivers high output while maintaining precision and efficiency. The Caterpillar CAT 994 is one of the world's largest front loaders, designed to work with dump trucks carrying up to 250 tons. Weighing 239 tons, it is powered by a turbocharged SCAD 3516E diesel engine. Generating an impressive 1,847 horsepower. To enhance durability and efficiency, Caterpillar integrates an advanced air filter system that extends engine life while allowing for 500-hour oil change intervals. Additionally, the loader's lighting system features long-lasting, energy-efficient LEDs, improving visibility and safety in harsh working conditions. Built for demanding environments, the CAT 994 maximizes productivity while minimizing operational costs. Designed for underground hard rock mining, the 22H and 18H loaders integrate modern hybrid technologies to maximize efficiency while reducing costs. These hybrid machines support zero-emission mining operations by utilizing patented KDS technology specifically developed for hard rock applications. By combining electrification with robust performance, they help mining companies meet sustainability goals while maintaining high productivity. Their advanced design minimizes fuel consumption, making them a smart investment for long-term underground operations. The Liebherr LB44 is a powerful foundation drilling rig designed for deep drilling applications. Despite its size, it offers exceptional mobility and is easily transported between job sites. Its advanced BAT rotary drive system ensures high efficiency, optimizing drilling performance. The LB44 supports various drilling methods, including dry drilling with the Kelly boom and continuous auger techniques, making it highly versatile. Designed for demanding foundation projects, this machine provides reliability and flexibility, allowing contractors to complete drilling operations with enhanced precision and reduced downtime. Its innovative technology makes it a standout in modern foundation construction. The amphibious dredger from Cleantech Infra is engineered for versatility in water and wetlands, capable of floating and maneuvering through soft, swampy areas where traditional excavators fail. It boasts a 22-foot reach and continuous 360 degrees rotation. Stabilizing wheels provide buoyancy when extended and act as support when deployed on land. These features allow the dredger to independently load and unload from trailers and navigate steep slopes, making it a practical solution for canal maintenance and dredging operations. Russell, the world's largest salt mining company, has introduced an innovative salt picker designed to preserve delicate ecosystems while efficiently harvesting salt. This experimental unit gently lifts salt layers from lake basins without disturbing their natural balance, ensuring sustainable salt production. Operating at depths of up to 1.6 feet, it effectively removes brine and associated rocks. Optimizing field conditions for future salt formation. With its eco-friendly approach and cutting-edge design, this next-generation loader represents a significant advancement in sustainable salt harvesting technology. The Wolf DWP 630 is a heavy-duty dewatering trencher powered by a 630 horsepower KTC8 engine. It can dig trenches up to 19 feet deep and 12 feet wide, making it a valuable tool for large-scale water drainage projects. Built for precision, it operates efficiently even in difficult terrain, ensuring high productivity in dewatering applications. Its robust design and advanced technology make it a top choice for contractors needing reliable and accurate trenching solutions. Dual Propulsion Road Trains, DPRT, redefine bulk transport by offering unmatched payload capacity and efficiency. Designed to move ore over long distances, these twin-engine road trains can carry up to 500 tons, reducing both transportation time and operating costs. Their extended range eliminates logistical limitations, enhancing productivity in mining and resource extraction. By optimizing vehicle cycles and increasing payload efficiency, DPRT significantly lowers transportation expenses while improving overall operational performance. This game-changing technology revolutionizes bulk transport, making long-distance ore hauling more cost-effective and time-efficient. The P&H 4100 AC drive mining shovel is a powerhouse in the mining industry, designed for high-efficiency resource extraction. Equipped with advanced AC drive technology, it boosts energy efficiency while reducing mechanical wear, ensuring long-term durability and lower maintenance costs. These massive shovels streamline mining operations, maximizing productivity even in demanding conditions. Their superior digging power and intelligent design optimize cycle times, making them indispensable for large-scale excavation projects. By enhancing production efficiency and minimizing downtime, the P&H 4100 AC plays a key role in modern mining sustainability and profitability. The BWS 160FR is a high-performance trailer built for transporting heavy loads with stability and efficiency. Its durable construction ensures safety across various industries, making it ideal for hauling large equipment. The standout feature is its hydraulic detachable gooseneck, or flip neck, which simplifies loading and unloading. This advanced design provides exceptional maneuverability, allowing operators to handle substantial payloads with ease. Whether for construction, agriculture, or industrial transport, the BWLS 160 FR offers a reliable and efficient hauling solution. The Ducker SPF 900 ledge milling machine delivers precise shoulder milling and efficient material loading in a single pass. With a working width of 4.1 feet and auxiliary augers extending it to 5.6 to 6.9 feet, it easily operates around fences and road barriers. A built-in broom ensures the area remains clean, enhancing road maintenance efficiency. Equipped with a hydraulic travel and milling drive, it uses a copy roller to push the loading vehicle, optimizing speed for superior performance. This self-propelled system is Ducker's most advanced solution for road shoulder milling. The Caterpillar 995F wheel loader is built for extreme durability and high-performance excavation. Engineered for mining, material handling, and site reclamation, it delivers unmatched digging force and a faster cycle time. Its advanced hydraulic system enhances efficiency, reducing fuel consumption while maintaining powerful lifting capability. Designed for operator comfort and safety, the 995F features an ergonomic cab with enhanced visibility and intuitive controls, supporting a wide range of attachments from rock bumpers to demolition hammers. This machine adapts to diverse job site demands, maximizing productivity and return on investment. A true workhorse for demanding applications. The SafeAero 220 is an innovative single-operator de-icing system, offering full control from the cab for maximum efficiency. Equipped with wireless data transmission and remote diagnostics, it allows real-time monitoring and quick performance adjustments. A powerful ground gun and a 32-foot hose reel ensure precise ice removal, making it an essential tool for airport ground support. Its intuitive design enhances operator comfort while streamlining de-icing operations, reducing delays in harsh weather conditions. With its cutting-edge automation, the SafeAero 220 sets a new standard for de-icing efficiency. Steel mills operate in some of the harshest industrial environments, where temperatures reach 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit, and molten slag and red-hot slabs are part of daily operations. Machinery in these settings must endure extreme heat, abrasive materials, and heavy loads. TMAG transport systems are built specifically for these demanding conditions, offering durability, precision, and efficiency. Designed to handle bulk materials and high temperatures with ease, these machines improve productivity and reduce risks, ensuring safe and smooth operations in steel mills and smelters worldwide. The Volvo FMX is a rugged and high-tech truck designed to tackle the most demanding construction and off-road tasks. Its reinforced cab provides enhanced forward visibility, while built-in side cameras improve safety by offering a clear view of surroundings. The traction control panel helps manage difficult terrains, ensuring stability in hazardous conditions. With a 38-ton buggy, the FMX significantly increases payload capacity, boosting overall productivity. Built for durability and reliability, this truck is engineered to handle extreme environments while maximizing efficiency on every job. The MTM series by Dino and Denanthal is a powerful industrial solution for handling rings with efficiency. Featuring a carrying capacity of 15 tons, it excels in gripping, lifting, tilting, and rotating heavy components with precision. Powered by a quiet yet robust diesel engine, it delivers exceptional performance while minimizing fuel consumption and emissions. This makes it an environmentally friendly choice for industrial settings. Designed for versatility, the MTM series enhances productivity across multiple applications, from metal processing to heavy-duty manufacturing, ensuring reliability in the toughest working conditions. Unloading an excavator requires precision and skill, as even the slightest mistake can lead to disaster. Experienced operators master this process, ensuring smooth and controlled movements to avoid slips or accidents. Watching an excavator being unloaded showcases the expertise behind heavy machinery operation, with every step carefully executed for maximum safety. The balance and stability of both the machine and the operator's technique are crucial in preventing potential damage, making this a fascinating process to observe in action. The HRVB hydraulic vacuum bucket is an innovative tool that transforms hydraulic energy into powerful vacuum suction for waste removal and cleaning tasks. Using the hydraulic system of a base machine, it efficiently generates strong airflow and suction without requiring additional power sources. The hydraulic oil flows through a pressure line to a built-in motor, which creates vacuum power. Operators can conveniently control the suction opening from the cab, optimizing performance for various applications. This system enhances efficiency in industrial waste management while ensuring seamless integration with existing hydraulic machinery. The Carex 3500 TC is a self-propelled mobile concrete mixing plant designed for high-efficiency batching. With a 4,850-liter drum and advanced foreign sensors, it ensures precise mixing through electronic scales and automated handling. The ProMix technology monitors crucial factors such as slump volume, temperature, humidity, and mix readiness, optimizing quality. A redesigned cab enhances operator safety and visibility, while its mobility allows for on-site concrete production, reducing downtime. Built for large-scale projects, this machine guarantees consistent, high-quality concrete every time. The Dino Model DC420 Rai is a high-performance, all-terrain drilling machine built for precision in demanding environments. Capable of drilling holes from 2 to 3 inches in diameter, it delivers accuracy while maintaining stability on rough terrain. Designed for maximum maneuverability, it allows operators to push the boundaries of drilling efficiency. Its reliability and power make it indispensable for industries requiring deep, controlled drilling. Whether for mining, construction, or infrastructure projects, the DC420 Rai is built to exceed expectations, ensuring high productivity and minimal downtime. The Trail King cart is a highly versatile transport solution designed for heavy-duty applications. It can be configured with a steerable 13-axle setup or a Jeep dolly for bunk bed operation, enhancing maneuverability. The cart's advanced design allows for steeper turns with reduced manual steering effort, improving overall efficiency. Wireless manual operation and an automatic leveling system provide precise control, making adjustments seamless. With its ability to adapt to various transport needs, the Trail King cart is a reliable option for moving oversized loads with ease and precision. Camp C has set a milestone in construction by printing the world's first two-story, 3D printed residential house. Built using Europe's largest concrete 3D printer, this 968-square-foot home stands 26 feet tall and was created as part of the European C3PO project. Unlike most 3D printed houses, which are single-story, this innovation showcases the potential for larger, multi-level structures. The goal is to encourage the construction industry to adopt 3D printed concrete techniques, reducing material waste, energy use, and CO2 emissions. This project demonstrates how technology can revolutionize sustainable housing solutions. The N38 Trackway is a highly versatile ground stabilization system designed for temporary roads, access routes, and crossings. Engineered to enhance mobility for heavy equipment and vehicles with pneumatic tires, it provides a stable surface even on soft or unstable ground. Its modular design allows for rapid deployment and compatibility with front-end loaders and telehandlers. Whether used for military construction or disaster relief applications, the N38 Trackway ensures reliable terrain access in challenging environments, making it an essential solution for large-scale projects. The Ecolog 500 series is a powerful forestry harvester designed for extreme terrain. Featuring ground clearance ranging from 4 inches to 4 feet, it easily maneuvers over logs, rocks, and uneven surfaces. Its pendulum arms improve stability on steep slopes, ensuring excellent mobility in dense forests. The machine is equipped with an upgraded EOG Nexi control system, improved fuel tank, and a new rear-wheel drive for better traction. An enhanced anti-slip system allows for smooth operation, maximizing efficiency in logging operations. Built for tough forestry conditions, the Ecolog 500 delivers durability and top-tier performance. The Liugong 990F excavator is a powerhouse designed for demanding construction and mining projects. With an exceptional digging force of 496 kilonewtons, it outperforms competitors in its class. Built for durability, it withstands the toughest job sites while maintaining optimal efficiency. The fully sealed cab protects against dust, noise, and harsh environmental conditions, while automatic climate control ensures operator comfort in extreme temperatures. Designed for extended uptime, the 990F enhances productivity while reducing maintenance needs, making it an ideal choice for high-intensity excavation work. Innovative concrete block technology. Similar to a large-scale Lego system, these interlocking blocks create stable, scalable structures without the need for molding. Designed for both temporary and permanent applications, they offer flexibility in design and expansion. The Collier and Miller C&M Channeler is a high-performance, heavy-duty machine built for precision earth moving. Featuring a fully adjustable hydraulic rear wing and bed, it provides versatility across multiple applications. The standard 9.8-foot bed configuration can be customized for specific project requirements, allowing adaptability in various terrain conditions. Engineered for efficiency, it delivers superior results in channeling and earth-shaping tasks. Known for its reliability, the C&M Channeler continues the legacy of Collier and Miller's durable, high-performing machinery. The SmartRock T25R is a highly adaptable machine engineered for demanding construction tasks in challenging environments. Designed for operators working in remote or confined spaces, it excels in infrastructure projects requiring precision and durability. With a rugged build and smart technology integration, it optimizes performance on tough surfaces, ensuring smooth operations even in the most inaccessible sites. Crafted by Pearl, this machine acts as a reliable work assistant, helping operators achieve consistent results across multiple shifts, making it indispensable for modern construction and site preparation. The TC50 machine played a crucial role in a massive construction project at a ski resort near Telluride, Colorado. In just 3 days, it helped complete the interior concreting of a mega residential building while efficiently laying 1,000 yards of gravel. This project demonstrated the TC50's exceptional capability in handling large-scale construction demands with speed and precision. The seamless workflow and advanced design of the machine made it a key asset in achieving high productivity while maintaining structural accuracy and efficiency. The Keyros Slag Taurus is a specialized transporter built to handle the harsh conditions of slag processing. Designed for industrial metal smelting operations, it efficiently moves heavy abrasive slag materials while ensuring smooth and reliable handling. Its reinforced frame and high-capacity load system make it one of the most durable slag transporters in the industry. Capable of withstanding extreme temperatures and rough terrain, the Slag Taurus optimizes slag disposal processes, improving overall efficiency in metal production facilities. This heavy-duty machine plays a crucial role in keeping industrial operations running safely and smoothly. American trucks are renowned for their durability, power, and striking appearance. Built to handle long hauls and tough terrains, these trucks combine efficiency with impressive design. Whether used for freight transportation or specialized hauling, they offer reliability and comfort for drivers. With advanced engine technology and aerodynamic styling, American trucks continue to be a symbol of power and performance on the road. Their combination of function and aesthetics makes them a top choice for both commercial and personal use, appealing to truck enthusiasts worldwide. Maintaining trees along railroad tracks is essential for both safety and infrastructure integrity. The Woodpecker Model T4000 telescopic platform and Model CS510 gimbal grapple are designed to efficiently manage overgrown vegetation that could obstruct train movement. These tools allow professionals to safely trim and remove trees that pose risks to transportation corridors. Their advanced design ensures precision in cutting and handling, minimizing disruption while enhancing rail and road safety. With their reliability and effectiveness, these machines play a critical role in vegetation management for railway maintenance. The Sintrac with a snowblower attachment is an advanced snow-clearing machine built for demanding winter conditions. With a powerful chassis and high-performance engine, it efficiently removes large volumes of snow. The precision-engineered auger and blower system break down compacted snow and disperse it effectively, keeping roads, driveways, and parking lots clear. Its durable construction ensures reliability even in extreme snowfall, making it an essential tool for municipalities and commercial snow management services. Engineered for rapid emergency response. Constructed with a lightweight composite alloy body, it features twin engines producing a total of 1,300 horsepower. This allows it to reach fires within seconds, ensuring quick intervention. The fire pump delivers an impressive 12,000 liters of water power, tackling even the most intense blaze zones with cutting-edge aerodynamics and advanced firefighting capability. The Lion ARFF 8x8 sets new standards in emergency response vehicles, providing unmatched efficiency and reliability. The FKW Bagger shoulder milling machine is a groundbreaking innovation in road maintenance, capable of traveling independently on public roads without the need for a low-load truck. Unlike traditional shoulder milling machines, it offers unmatched flexibility by driving itself to job sites, producing setup time. It mills shoulders up to 2 meters wide and 10 centimeters deep in single pass, while navigating around guardrails, fences, and other roadside obstacles with ease. This efficiency speeds up maintenance operations, making it a game changer for highway and road construction crews, ensuring faster project completion and cost savings. The Genius Crane is a highly versatile demolition and construction crane, engineered for efficiency and easy transport. Designed for large-scale projects, it features concrete and scrap shears capable of lifting up to 16 tons. It is also rated for underwater tasks at depths of up to 98 feet, making it ideal for offshore construction and mooring operations. Its long reach minimizes repositioning, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. By cutting through heavy concrete structures with minimal dust and vibration, the Genius Crane enhances safety in urban areas where disruption must be kept to a minimum. The extended section semi-trailer from Yanji Open Machinery offers a unique solution for transporting oversized loads. Featuring expandable sections and adjust to different cargo sizes, maximizing space utilization. Its rotating wheels enhance maneuverability, making it ideal for navigating The Jailer TMR mixer is built for large-scale feed mixing, handling over 1,000 cubic feet of total mixed rations. Designed for heavy-duty feedlots, it features a rugged walking tandem with dual tires and optional hydraulic or pneumatic brakes. The mixer is available with patented augers, including sliding plate augers for low-power feed processing and slant blade augers for heavier loads. Its durable construction allows for efficient mixing of dense materials, making it an essential machine for intensive livestock feeding operations. With its high-capacity design, the Jailer TMR mixer ensures consistency and efficiency in feed preparation. The Volvo L200H High-Lift is a next-generation log loader designed to handle heavy loads with greater efficiency, featuring a 12.2-ton capacity and an enlarged grapple with a reinforced rotator that minimizes pendulum motion, improving control and safety. Advanced LED lighting enhances visibility in low-light conditions, while a vision avoidance system ensures safer operations in long yards. Built for durability and precision, this high-performance loader increases productivity while reducing operational risk, making it a valuable asset in timber handling and forestry applications. The BMM 410 is a fully automatic mobile clay brick-making machine designed by SNPC Machines in India. This innovative machine allows brick production anywhere, using raw materials like clay, mud, or a clay fly ash mixture. Its mobility ensures flexibility in brick manufacturing, making it ideal for on-site construction needs. With its automated process, the BMM 410 increases efficiency and reduces manual labor, enabling high-volume production in a short time. Whether for rural construction or large-scale projects, this machine delivers durable bricks with minimal effort, making it an invaluable asset for builders and contractors. The BRAC T35B Row Trencher is a high-performance machine built for forestry and land clearing applications. Equipped with 3 rows of cutting discs, it efficiently slices through soil and vegetation, creating uniform trenches with precision. Its robust construction ensures durability across various terrain types, while adjustable trench width settings allow operators to customize trench sizes to project requirements. Engineered for efficiency and ease of use, the T35B delivers reliable results in large-scale land preparation, making it a go-to choice for forestry professionals. Ensuring minimal Kumblerspedition recently undertook the complex task of transporting large ship components, including the MS Ewing, a 223-foot-long, 32-foot-wide excursion vessel weighing 400 tons. The vessel was moved from a shipyard near Bonn to Bavaria Roth in two sections, the hull and the upper deck, using heavy-duty mobile cranes. The massive ship parts were carefully loaded onto a low-loader truck and transported along major highways, requiring precise coordination. Despite its enormous size and cost of nearly 5 million euros, Kumblerspedition's advanced transport equipment ensured a seamless and efficient operation, demonstrating their expertise in handling oversized cargo. The Elphinstone Long Logger, seen in action with sun chip harvesting, is a highly adaptable log transport vehicle. It features an easy loader bolt-on attachment, allowing quick modifications for various log hauling applications. Available in both standard flat tow and stretchable mudguard configurations, it accommodates payloads from 32 to 68 tons. Its fully enclosed suspension protects vital components like cables, airlines, and brake parts, reducing road spray and making maintenance easier. Designed for efficient hauling on B-triple routes, this logger enhances productivity while ensuring a smoother and safer transport process. If you're amazed by the raw power of heavy machinery and groundbreaking engineering, smash that subscribe button. Join the Giant Tech as we uncover more incredible industrial giants and mind-blowing innovations. Drop a comment about your favorite machine below. Stay powered up.